So it appears some part of Nigeria is also facing this flooding issue. As we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go.
Hey guys, see our environment. Our everywhere is fucking fine. See them. Devil is a liar. Oh. Hey, tell me about
It's like you're not sad about it. If they were in Accra or Ghana, I'm not sure they will be jubilating as they are.
It is raining. It is raining.
So Ebo Noah just came out to give out his take on the rain and the flooding situation in Accra. He called it a form of negligence because he asked Ghanaians or he told Ghanaians about a vision, but we didn't take him seriously. Let's take a look.
It is raining. It is raining. I dear Tia, Ubon said, Obi Baba Bessu, and I'm soon I say, and I'm soon I say. Yes, in so babeto. It is come to rain. What are you doing? In so babeto, then I will hear. That is not a mwesi, where's you there? In so na a tono, and then I will see a baby, where's you, and I will be good for you. Because we will see you there, and what will affect you. Nani panibe susa bola na ode ko Google tanimu e kwa ko affect obi tina ni baby on drain ho because of wo ade a wo ye ni tina obi efu yesin so ba beto na wa fa bola na ode ko Google tanimu so ba beto still na wo si dan wo baby a enye se wo si dan wo inso le beto topo what I say. You are the same person who you have from Bible. No one continue to story them. No one can say, yeah, that was only one another one I see. Only one another one I see. After you have putting rubbish in the gutter, after building houses in the riverway, no one continue to story them. Yeah, that was so. Obi is so because of who? Obi is so because of who? If you have for Obi Yama because of who? If you have a sense of Ponyama because of who, you see, Jaidina would you are saying, Bola no, if you Charlie, it is come to rain, it is come to rain, now it's only young giant. It will be there in the camp. Then it came. He said, the people are being destroyed because they don't know me.
On this one, I side with Ebo Noah on this because I always say most of the lands in Accra have been sold, and particularly the drainage systems where water pathways are supposed to flow through have been sold, and people are building on them. People are building their companies, people are building their houses on those water pathways, blocking every form of drainage system that is being in Accra. You see, this is one of the things that I always talk about. Like, Accra is very small, and the population over there is crazy. This has given room for people to just be building anyhow. The settlement in Accra, if you come to Accra, for instance, it's very crazy. It's very annoying. You find it challenging that Accra is just Greater Accra is just the smallest region in the whole Ghana. Yet still, it's having or it's hosting the highest percentage of population in Ghana. Due to this, you're likely to face these things. Well, so this place, I think there is a particular river close to where the estate is. So the river came into the estate as well, making it somehow to a higher level.
I didn't be chow minimum. That what are they now? You move. Hey. That what will move. Indiana, you will in that what will move. Oh, God, what's the dance there? And I in my a pie. Oh, the rain will enter this place.
I want to relations. I feel
Charlie, the water they pull me go back, but I'm trying to pull go forward. See the cars. This is the most difficult part of the flood. This is the most difficult part of the flood. Now the question is where all these things they go. This water, where they go?
Do you wait, hold up. Do you see that? That's a woman scaling the wall just to escape the water situation. Do you see that? Yeah. People are sitting on top of cars.
It's not Adam. Yes, Circle.
What? Circle is facing another fire outbreak again. Wow. This happened in 2015 and it happened, I think, 2024, and just a month ago, it happened again.
Yes, Circle. Share the life to someone, and follow me, please, follow me. Those asking for my Momo number, please follow me, and send me a gift. Send me gifts and follow.
People are in distress and you're asking people to follow you. I think this guy's not serious.
Follow me. Those asking for Momo number, please just send me a gift.
Lion, baby lion.
Ghana, we don't have a helicopter for quenching this kind of fire. I think it's time, Ghana, we have to get a helicopter for this. The cause of the fire is an electrical problem. It's a circle. The location is circle. You can see the Ghana Commission and there's flood too. The way you guys flooded.
People are struggling and you are here asking people to follow you. You have to be serious. This is Achimota.
Achimota, baby, I'm going to la Pascal. Baby, I'm going to la Pascal. I go
If you're outside of the country, just call anyone in Accra to ask if they are okay, because this is mind-boggling. And these people are not going to find a way to escape. Look at where they are standing. God.
That was for where clag waterway so. And easy cry, easy. For two be no better crossing soon now. Is an mother dance to the middle and tis no actual moasia. So we are ten some room or crossing or ever found our rack and said no kunu. Once again for the moji me pa Charlie, easy a dear.
People have been asked to stay in the house. So what are you people doing there? So they were trying to cross, but looking at the intensity of the water, they had to get stuck here. Right now, that's just I think a rock or a hard soil. Should that thing wear off, they are gone. Trying to jump back on the road to be a very difficult thing to do. You have been asked to stay in the house, so where are you going?
Charlie, easy a dear. More. Say more say come be say mun sin kwa shaman na mun choki ansa mo ashamo be say mun sin ko seko ananu nwani na mun choki ansa nye easy kura water west klagoni it's challenge nye easy kura ni baby be dance.
Did you see that the water is just drifting the vehicle by itself?
Yeah, so what? What are you doing here? Look at that thing that's going.